What's up, everybody? Brian here from Attention to Details. Kenny behind the camera. We've got Dustin over here doing some training, and we've got a new person today, Jay. This is Jay, everybody. He just become a member of our team. You've seen him in some of our other videos throughout the summer. He was coming in and out, but now he's full on with us starting today, and he's going through the training process with Dustin here on proper wash techniques on rims, barrels, wheel wells, through the whole thing, and then he'll slowly come up the ranks in that. He's also going to be helping with some PPF, some training as well on that, and polishing. Excellent guy, brings a lot to the team. He's also going to be helping out with some of our social media. So, Jay, welcome to the team. Glad to have you.
Thank you. I'm Jay Axel. I'm recently just finished with school, and I'm just lucky enough to be here and to learn from Brian and Dustin and Kenny behind the camera. And I'm really looking forward to every day to be around nice cars and just to be able to use it as a lifelong skill. And I'm also around some great guys, and we're looking to build new experiences and have fun and do a great job while doing it. And we're also looking forward to making our customers happy, and I'm looking forward to that. So I'm happy to introduce myself. I'm happy to be here, and I'm lucky to be a part of the team. Very happy so.
That being said, thanks, Jay. Good things are going to happen. Also, got my little note thing here. We're putting together, if you've watched some of other videos, but we're going to ramp it up. So probably, I'm hoping to have some things set up by middle to the end of this week, but we're going to be doing some giveaways. We've got some t-shirts, really nice t-shirts. We're going to be popping these out. We don't know how we're going to do it yet, but stay tuned, and Kenny's going to put something together to let everybody know. So on our giveaways, we're going to be doing t-shirts, car washes. We're going to do this once a month. We've done a couple already, but we're going to do another Dr. Beasleys nano coating giveaway, ceramic coating to some lucky customers. So stay tuned for that as well. And we're going to be doing some really neat Dr. Beasleys hand soap. It's all handmade out of Chicago, organic. It's amazing stuff, no dyes, perfumes. But we're going to be showcasing that as well and getting my hands on some from them as we speak. And then we're going to be giving those out to some of our customers as well, so pay attention to that. Also want to welcome Johnny Fly, sunglasses and eyewear. It's what I wear here. People's been telling me about those a lot. They're pretty neat glasses. So I've got some more coming in tomorrow. We'll be showcasing those, and we might be putting something together like that, like once a month, give a pair of sunglasses out. But we got some banners coming. But if you want to check them out, it's johnnyfly.com. They got really cool eyewear, guys. Check them out, go to the website. My next thing too, I got turned on by my oldest son who races professional motocross. This is Alias Pain Balm. Premium hemp plus, no THC, but a lot of people know whatever. I have a spinal cord condition from an injury, so I'm in pain all the time. I'm not a pill guy, I don't drink alcohol, so I'm always trying to do different things, and he turned me onto this, and I've been using it, and I just ordered a bunch more, so I want to give these guys a shout out. This stuff is amazing. Check them out. You can go to aliassport.com, check their stuff out. I mean, cramps, sore muscles, this stuff is amazing. Do yourself a favor and check it out. So we got that going on.
Life changer.
Yeah, life changer. So we got a really neat thing that's going on. As soon as we're done with the Ferrari, we'll have a full video on that. Then we got another Ferrari coming in after. What's the one after coming in?
488.
488 Ferrari. Then we got a couple McLarens, a Lambo, a lot of really cool cars and builds. We're just getting everything ready and prepped. We got the S4 build. That will be shooting probably right after the holidays, so that's going to be neat. Dustin's S4 build. We've got the 2021 RS6 Avant that we're doing. Yes, it's brand new, but we got some really good things with this. We're using Dr. Beasleys products solely on this. Windows are going to be tinted out hopefully this week on this. We're waiting for the HRE rims. Those will be put on this, really neat. They're being custom built for this car. Then we're going to be doing a mild paint correction, ceramic coating with Dr. Beasleys Pro Serum. Then we're wrapping this whole car in Expel Ultimate Plus front to back. Speaking of that, Dustin and Kenny are leaving for the advanced course to Expels in San Antonio, Texas on the 27th of December, so that's like about 2 weeks out for an extensive course on that, and then we're going to be hitting that hard. We're going to be the only ones in Northwest Indiana that is authorized distributor and dealer for that, so check us out for that as well. And we're going to be doing some Q&A videos too, guys, on how-tos. A lot of neat things are happening right now with new cars. I don't care if it's high-end stuff like this or if it's a Chev pickup truck, Honda Civic, Toyota Tundra, whatever it may be, whatever car, paint is changing in a big way. And when I say that, it's changing because it is becoming thinner. These companies are cutting back on cost. We just did a digital reading on this car, and back in the days on some of the old test panel hoods that we have here in mils, we were getting in, 9 to 15 mils. On this vehicle here, brand new, 30 some miles, and that was put on by the owner from driving from point A to point B to here. And we're getting readings in the low 4s and high 3s on this car. Very dangerous, so that's why you have to protect these vehicles, get them corrected perfectly, protect them, because you don't want to keep polishing this stuff. And wherever you do take it to, pay attention to that stuff, guys, because every time you put a buffer on one of these cars or a polisher, you are removing the finish of your vehicle. So make no mistake about it. Get yourself educated. If you have any questions, give us a call here, 628-0288. We'd love to walk around. And we're also putting, we're doing it with all of our high-end clients like this clientele. But what we do now, every vehicle, I don't care what it is, when it comes in here, is before and after videos. And we are guaranteeing in writing results in gloss factor, in clarity, in paint removal, swirl marks. We have different packages where we can go, we can give you the gloss factor, but you're not going to get all the defects out. We can have our step ones that are getting between 40 and 60% of removal out, all the way up to the high levels of where we're getting every imperfection possibly and safely that we can get out. We do not chase absolute perfection and deep scratches here. If it's deep enough, you can catch it with your fingernail, we can make it less appealing to your eye, but there's no more paint. We can't create paint in that. So let us educate you, give us a shout. Trying to think of everything else here, guys. That is it right now. Just stay tuned with us, guys. Love and happiness. Peace.